Hello, welcome to Just Prime. As part of this video, we are going to see another string concept called string builder. So, as for the previous video, we have seen about the string buffer and various features of a string buffer compared to a string. So, we have seen it. So, now we are going to see the how it's a different compared to string and string builder, so that we will be seeing it out. So, the first thing is string is immutable, so that we have seen in the previous many videos. Like whenever you are trying to change the string, it is trying to create a new object for every change. So that's the reason we are calling string is immutable. And the second difference is string builder is mutable. In that mean, so whenever you are trying to change the string builder, it will not create a new object. It is trying to modify the existing object. So that's the reason we are calling string builder is a mutable. Mutable in the sense it can be changed. Whereas string builder is efficient in case of string manipulation. That means whenever you are working on a string which need to be modified, keep on either it could be adding, deleting, updating. So in that case, string builder is more efficient than string. So in the last and fourth option, string builder is not thread safe in the sense when you are working for multi-threaded environment. So string builder is not thread safe. There might be a chance of data corruption. Whereas in case of string buffer, it should be a thread safe that we have seen in the previous video. So if in case if you have not visited my video, I will recommend you go and visit it once. So these are the four differences, string and string builder differences. So we will be seeing these four implementations, how really it will work. So with an example. So let's get started. So this is a string buffer demo we have created as part of the previous video. Now I am going to create another class called string builder. String builder demo, I am going to create it. So like I said, most of the things are same, string buffer and string builder, except the fourth one, the thread safe. String buffer is thread safe, whereas the string builder is not thread safe. That's the only difference. Rest of the features are same between string and string buffer. So to demonstrate this one, I am going to copy the content of the previous one. First let me copy the immutability feature. Let me copy everything. We will discuss it. First let me create a simple main method. Inside that we are going to create it. So like we discussed, there is a four features. String, like string is immutable, so that we have seen in the previous video. So we no need to explain, we have seen many videos. So like a string is immutable in the sense whenever you are trying to create an object, whenever you are trying to modify it, so it will not create a new it will create a new object. So for every change it will create a new object. So this we have seen many times. So now we are going to see mainly string builder feature. String builder is mutable, so how it will be. So let me change everywhere. String buffer. Yes, now everywhere we are using only string builder, we are not using anywhere string buffer. So immutability feature we have seen many times, so we are not going to discuss it again, but still you can see over it over here. So now we are going to discuss mutability feature. So I just created a string builder which is having some of the content already present, and as part of the line number 10 we are trying to read the memory location and we are printing it. And after that string builder, I'm trying to delete one of the content and it will recreate a new object. We are assuming it, but we will be saying whether SB1 and SB2 is same or not. SB2 is a changed version of SB1. So SB2 memory location we are getting it over here, and we will compare the memory locations of both whether it is same or not. So that's the way we can able to verify whether string builder is creating a new object or not when the content is modified. So that's the way we can verify it out. So let me run this one and we will be seeing it out. It's same as string buffer, but we are just trying to recreate it. So we can see here SB1 and SB2 is same memory location. It is not creating any new memory location. So that's the reason we are seeing same number, and when we try to compare the memory location, it's giving the true. It's giving the true. And like I said, we have initially prime, and we are trying to delete one of the character, and the deleted character I is missing. P or I is missing, so that's the reason when we are trying to modify or manipulate the string, it won't create a new object. It is trying to modify the same existing object. That's the reason string buffer is immutable. Mutable. And the last difference is string builder is thread safe. Sorry, not thread safe. String buffer is thread safe, whereas builder is not thread safe. So how can you say that one? So you can come here. So you can press Control and click over here, and you can see lot of methods inside the string builder, like compare, append, whatever. So all these methods you can see, append method, various different argument methods, delete. So here what you see over here, so here you will not see synchronized keyword. So that means if multiple threads are trying to call this method, so there might be a chance of data corruption. So that's the reason string builder is not thread safe, whereas string buffer we have seen in the previous video. Let me show you again back. So just come down, you can see every method we have a synchronized keyword, but whereas in case of string builder we don't have synchronized, but whereas in case of string buffer we have synchronized keyword. The same method delete caret synchronized, but string builder delete char it's not synchronized. So that's the reason string buffer is thread safe, whereas in case of string builder is not thread safe. So this is one of the major difference between string and string buffer and string buffer. So as per the next video, we are going to compare all the differences between the string buffer, builder. So that will give more clear idea. I think that's all about this video. If you like the video, you can subscribe the channel, more subsequent video updates.